Alright, first things first, I'm not done. I've got to clean up some things. I've got to mount this junction box. Don't gripe about it. These grounds here will get moved underneath and get that all secured. But we got the battery moved, all of the grounds tied here. The current sensor is on the main ground back to the battery, so it can pick up everything just like stock. Make sure that that is in the same direction that it was when the battery was up front. I went ahead and redid my starter wire because the ends were corroded. That's all that is. Starter, fuse box, battery. And then I went ahead and put a little larger wire to the alternator, so that all works good there. Going inside, I ran all of my cables up underneath here. I'll get you some photos of that. I decided to go ahead and add this current sensor bundle of wires so that I can move the current sensor in the back down the road, something I'm just curious about, want to test. Now you don't have to take the whole car apart to do this. I just wanted the space to be able to do so. The cables ran right up underneath this trim. It's tight in here to get this trim on here, so I have the cables tucked down below. You may have to trim the insulation to get it to fit better. You see the cables running up there, and then they tuck behind into that wheel well. Now, I just took the factory battery tray. I will attach it down there for now. I have plans of moving to a Optimum battery, and I'll get a fancy holder for that. But I've got the two wires coming through back there. Get my flashlight on for you. Coming back through there, there's those three wires for the current sensor. Now we got our positive wire. I chose to use a 300 amp breaker. Got this off of Amazon. It will be mounted, try and get the camera right up here beside that, just anchored in there. Something like so. And I'll get everything cleaned up. Like I said, I'm nowhere near done yet. Let's go ahead and start it up for you.